constant time-consuming searching for tools has now come to an end, because with this high-quality workshop trolley from BGS, you always have the tools you need at hand. This extremely durable workshop trolley shows you the difference between quality and cheap products. 8 drawers mounted on ball-bearing slide rails provide sufficient storage space for your tools. The smooth-running drawers are fully extendable, allowing you to reach everything comfortably. 4 heavy-duty ball-bearing casters are available for easy transportation, 2 of which can be swiveled and are equipped with a brake. The lockable central lock also provides security against unauthorized access. The trolley is filled with a number of useful tools to assist you in a variety of situations in your workshop. The inserts contain ratchet and socket sets, an array of bit and bit sockets, various pliers, combination and E-type spanners, screwdrivers, an assortment of T-bar wrenches in hexagonal and T-star design, and much more. All tools are sorted in high-quality foam inserts that are precisely fitted into the 8 extendable drawers. The practical work surface with its depot compartments for small parts or tools and the optionally mountable side shelf will convince you that the BGS Technic Workshop Trolley is the one to fulfill all your wishes.